may be given like this. Okay, and you may be extended this line from here. It is perpendicular. You may be given like this. Okay, although it is perpendicular here, it is considered as and although the line is perpendicular here, it will be, if we construct from here, it will be perpendicular here also. The height may be given anyway. Okay, but जहाँनिर यो लाइनमा यसलाई एक्सटेन्ड गरेपछि लाइनमा perpendicular भयो भने पनि हाम्रो बेस यही हुन्छ के, it will be base. यो बेसै हुन्छ है. Sometimes you may be given like this to make you confused. But no need to be confused at that time also. It's clear. Height means just the perpendicular distance. यस्तो बेलामा हाइट र बेस मात्र दिएको बेलामा एरिया निकाल्ने फर्मुला के हुन्छ, 1/2 बेस इन्टु height. B is for base, H is for height. It is for a general triangle. That means तपाईलाई simply base र height दियो भने यो भयो. अब यसमै right angle triangle, directly right angle triangle भनेको छ भने, if directly it is saying right angle triangle, it will be perpendicular here. It is said to be perpendicular. It is said to be base, isn't it? At that time, its area will be 1/2 into base into perpendicular. Okay, the perpendicular will work as height. Okay, perpendicular will act as height in case of right angle triangle. Just remember some formula. Hey, मैले भन्दै गर्छु तपाईले सम्झिदै गर्नु होला. Now let us go in specific type of triangles. Suppose first of all equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle means you know all the sides equal. Yes, if you don't know also, now you must know. If all the sides are equal, the triangle is named as equilateral triangle. Now here you are not given the height. Base त हामीलाई दिएको हुन्छ सबै एउटै हुन्छ है, but height is missing here. है, अब हामीलाई यस्तो बेलामा इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल भन्यो भने फर्मुला डाइरेक्टली हामीले यो युज गर्न सक्छौं, a इक्वल टु स्क्वायर रुट 3/4 a स्क्वायर. अब यो कसरी भयो त, हाउ इट इज फर्म, लेट मी डिस्कस अन दैट है. तपाईले बुकमा हेरे नि हुन्छ, तर मैले यसलाई भन्छु ल हेर्नुस् है. अब हामीलाई त यहाँ त जेनरली के हो, एरिया भनेको त के हो, a इक्वल टु 1/2 बेस इन्टु हाइट हो. ल b को ठाउँमा त a आयो, ल b को ठाउँमा a आयो. व्हाट इज यार हाइट, हाइट थाहा भएन के. सो अब यस्तो गरौँ न, हाइट निकाल्नको लागि यहाँबाट परपेन्डिकुलर खिचौँ यसरी. यो परपेन्डिकुलर खिचेपछि यो h हुन्छ. अब यसको भ्यालु निकालौँ के, h लाई a को टर्ममा, यतापट्टि a/2 हुन्छ, यतापट्टि पनि a/2 हुन्छ. इट विल डिवाइड दिस वान, बाइसेक्ट. ओके, अब h निकाल्दा राइट एंगल ट्रायंगलमा त के हुन्छ, हाइपोटेन्युस स्क्वायर इक्वल टु परपेन्डिकुलर स्क्वायर प्लस बेस स्क्वायर हुन्छ. यो निकाल्दाखेरि के हुने भयो, a स्क्वायर इक्वल टु h स्क्वायर प्लस a/2 होल स्क्वायर हुने भयो के. हामीलाई h निकाल्नु पर्ने भयो. h निकाल्दा त कति आउँछ हेर्नुस् है, h स्क्वायर भनेको यो a स्क्वायर यही छँदैछ, a/2 होल स्क्वायर यता आउँदा माइनस a/2 होल स्क्वायर भयो, माइनस a स्क्वायर बाइ 4 हुन्छ. दैट मीन इट विल बी 4a स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर बाइ 4 and it will become 3a square by 4. अब हामीलाई यो h स्क्वायर को भ्यालु 3a square by 4 आयो. सो व्हाट h द भ्यालु अफ h विल बी, दैट मीन स्क्वायर रुट 3a स्क्वायर by 4. अब योबाट हेर्नुस् त 3 मात्रै नआउने भयो, a पनि बाहिर आयो, by 4 भएपछि त्योबाट 2 पनि बाहिर आयो, दैट मीन स्क्वायर रुट 3 ओन्ली रिमेन. सो h को भ्यालु a/2 इन्टु रुट 3 भयो. अब यहाँ ल्याएर राख्नुस् त 1/2 इन्टु a into h is a/2 root 3. Now it will be a into a square. और सुरुमा root 3 राखौं न, root 3 2 into 2 4, root 3/4 a into a square. In this way it is coming, you can see. Okay, so in case you, this is the very important formula. Okay, you may be asked in a very short question as well. Very short question मा आइरहेको छ, कसरी आउँछ, यसरी आउँछ के. क्वेशन हेर्नुस् है, what is the area of equilateral triangle with one side a सेन्टिमिटर भन्यो भने अब यसको एन्सर डाइरेक्टली के लेख्ने हो एरिया अफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल a इक्वल टू √3/4 a स्क्वायर सेन्टिमिटर स्क्वायर हुने भयो यसरी लेख्ने अब यहाँ x भनेर आयो भने x स्क्वायर सेन्टिमिटर स्क्वायर y भनेर आयो भने p स्क्वायर सरी y स्क्वायर सेन्टिमिटर स्क्वायर यसरी लेख्ने है इट इज अल अबाउट इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल नाउ आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल what will happen in isosceles triangle okay isosceles triangle आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगलमा के हुन्छ आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगलमा त दुईटा साइड इक्वल हुन्छन् जम्मा तीनवटा मध्येबाट isn't it suppose the equal sides are this both are a and the remaining side is b now how to find its area so let me remind you हामीले एउटा एरिया अफ ट्रायंगल ट्रायंगल प्यारेललोग्राम क्वाड्रिलेटरलमा पनि पढेका थियौं a इक्वल टु the formula will be b/4 square root 4a square minus b square okay the formula will be a equal to b/4 square root 4a square minus b square what you have to understand is a is the measurement of equal sides okay b equal to one of the त्यहाँ भने एउटा मात्रै अनइक्वल साइड हुन्छ अथवा रिमेनिङ साइड भन्दा नि भयो के दुईटा इक्वल साइड्स हुन्छ अनि रिमेनिङ साइड अब यसको फर्मुला डिराइभ गर्दाखेरि हामीले यही यसैलाई b मै हामीले यहाँ परपेन्डिकुलर ड्रा गर्छौं अनि h को भ्यालु निकाल्छौं के h को भ्यालु कसरी आउँछ हेर्नुस् त यसमा पनि यो b लाई b/2 बनाएर डिवाइड गर्छ बाइसेक्ट गर्छ अनि h भनेको a स्क्वायर माइनस b/2 को होल स्क्वायर को स्क्वायर रुट हुन आउँछ है अनि यो चाहिँ के हुन्छ स्क्वायर रुट b/2 को होल स्क्वायर 4 b स्क्वायर/4 हुन्छ यता 4a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर/4 हुने भयो यो 4 त बाहिर निस्कने भयो 1/2 भएर है 1/2 came out here it will be 4a square minus b square अनि यहाँ ल्याएर 1/2 बेस इन्टु हाइटमा ल्याएर राख्दाखेरि 1/2 इन्टु b इन्टु 1/2 स्क्वायर रुट 4a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर हुन्छ and that mean b/4 square root 4a square minus b square ओके ल यसलाई पनि तपाईहरुलाई एक्जाममा भेरी सर्ट क्वेशनमा यो फर्मुला पनि सोध्न सक्छ यो तीनटै अझै एउटा फर्मुला लेख्दै छु यो सबै इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ अघि फर्स्टमा मैले जेनरलाइज ट्रायंगल को बेस इन्टु हाइट भनेर लेखे त्यसपछि परपेन्डिकुलर इन्टु बेस हाफ b इन्टु p right angle triangle केसमा after that equilateral triangle √3/4 a square then isosceles triangle b/4 square root 4a square minus b square one more type is remaining that is scalene triangle scalene triangle means all the sides are unequal of different measurement अब यो a हुन सक्छ यो b यो c all are unequal at that time how to find a equal to square root remember this one as s minus a s minus b s minus a now you may be thinking what is this s a b c are the sides of triangle that's fine now what is this s don't be confused s mean semi perimeter okay semi perimeter that means half of the perimeter what will be the perimeter of this triangle obviously perimeter means sum of all sides sum of all sides means sum of a b and c that means a plus b plus c now semi perimeter will be perimeter is a plus b plus c divided by 2 whole divided by 2 it is perimeter okay you have to know the perimeter of this isosceles triangle also isosceles triangle ma perimeter कति हुन्छ 2a plus b two sides are equal that means 2a and b will be remaining side and in case of equilateral triangle what will be the perimeter anybody can you tell me p equal to 3a all sides are equal a plus a 3a in an isosceles triangle a plus b 2a plus b in this way we can find area of different types of triangles okay more formula for area the important are suppose तपाईलाई rectangle को त थाहा छ CTA and rectangle you know very easy length into breadth square, you know it also. What? L square. And after that, don't be confused. Hey, square ma हामीले 1/2 d square पनि use गर्छौं. D भनेको diagonal हो. If diagonal is given and area of square is asked to find, then we have to use 1/2 d square. And similarly, there is rhombus. In rhombus, we will use 1/2 d1 into d2. You have the two diagonals will be given. Similarly, parallelogram, base into height. After that, quadrilateral 1/2, one of the diagonal will be given and two perpendiculars to the diagonal will be given. We have to add them. 1/2 d p1 plus p2. Similarly, there is a kite. In kite, you will be given two diagonals d1 into d2. Okay. After that, what is remaining? Trapezium. In trapezium, what is the formula? 1/2 h will be the height of that trapezium, and there will be two parallel sides, L1 plus L2, they are added. This is the formula to find area of trapezium. And circle, you know very well. In case of circle, it's pi r square. Okay, where r is diameter by 2, half of the diameter. This formula should be remembered. Again, I am going to repeat something about triangle. Okay, triangle को फेरि मैले यहाँ सरल लेख्छु. ट्रायंगल मात्रै भन्यो भने 1/2 बेस इन्टु हाइट भयो. राइट एंगल्ड ट्रायंगल भन्यो भने 1/2 बेस इन्टु परपेंडिकुलर. इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल √3/4 a square, √3/4 a square. And in case of isosceles triangle, in case of isosceles triangle, the formula will be v/4 square root 4a square minus b square. And at last, scalene triangle square root s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. These are the formula which you have to remember, which you have to keep in the mind permanently. Okay. Let me take some response here. Let me call Kusal Adhikari. Kusal Adhikari, are you here? Then Kusal said,
yes, sir.
Kusal, can you remember this formula? Not responding. Let me call Kusal Vani as well. Kusal, can you remember
Yes,
this
sir.
formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. There is no any other option. Okay, we have to remember this. How this formula are remembered is the way is more practice. हामीले प्रब्लमहरु यस्तै खाले यदि फर्मुलाहरु युज भएका प्रब्लमहरु सल्भ गरिराख्यौं भने यो फर्मुलाहरु धेरै छिटो सम्झिन्छ के. अब यो रट्यो एकछिन पढेर इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल को √3/4 a square √3/4 square a √3/4 square भनेर पढेर बसेर एकछिनलाई that will be volatile. Okay, you know volatile means it's used in science. That will be for some time. Okay, sometime. But if you apply those formula in your problem, then that will be remembered very easily. Okay, once you apply, 50% will be remembered. Again, you used that twice, second time, again 70% remember. Then if you practice more and more, that will be remembered very easily. तर सँगसँगै प्र्याक्टिस गर्दै एप्लाई गर्यौँ भने छिटो छिटो सम्झिन्छ. So let us go move through the exercise. Exercise 5.1, page number 54. Okay, exercise 5.1. So in exercise 5.1, there are some figures there and some triangles to whose area you need to be find. Right? One A number. Find the area of the triangles. The figure is like this. Okay, this is the figure. We are asked to find the area of this triangle ABC, and it is given 8 centimeter. And we are given here like this dotted height. And this side is extended. Here it is given perpendicular sign. The point is D, and it is 6 centimeter. Very easily we can find its area, its solution. You can say here B equal to 8 centimeter, H equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 B into H equal to 1 by 2 into B is 8, H is 6 equal to 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 4 6 are 24. Don't forget to write unit centimeter square. The area will be in square unit. Okay, whatever unit is given, its square should be written in area. Okay, this is A number question. In B number question, B number you may get confused. Let me do this that B number as well. In B number there is like this. Sorry. This is the figure A, B, C, and here it is given 90 degree. It is 12 centimeter, and it is 13 centimeter. Many of the students used to do 1 by 2, 12 into 13. But remember, this 13 is hypotenuse, and it is not used in right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, what is the formula? 1 by 2 base into perpendicular. If it is considered as base, 12 centimeter is considered as base, AC will be perpendicular. Or if AC is considered as a base, AB will be perpendicular. So whatever, we don't have one side. Base side or perpendicular side. Okay. So let us find solution. पहिला हामीले त्यो निकाल्नु पर्यो. Okay. Here base B equal to, let us write base. Okay. Base small b equal to 12 centimeter, and we are given hypotenuse. Hypotenuse h equal to 13 centimeter. Your h भनेको hypotenuse हो. It is not h. Height. Okay. Height होइन, hypotenuse. Now we require perpendicular. Perpendicular p equal to what we know or we have. Directly you can use p equal to square root h square minus b square. Actual the formula, the Pythagoras theorem is h square equal to p square plus b square. We are writing from this one. Okay, equal to square root. Value of h is 13. 13 square minus 12 square. What you will get? 13 square 169. It will be 144. After subtracting, you will get 25. Square root 25 is 5 centimeter. So perpendicular is 5 centimeter. Therefore, area of right angle triangle हो यो right angle triangle भएको हुनाले तपाईले area of triangle मात्र लेख्ने हुन्छ. Triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 into base into perpendicular. Now substitute the respective values. 1 by 2 into base is 12 centimeter, right? 12 only. Perpendicular is 5. 2 6 are 12. If you cancel, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now 6 5 are 30 centimeter square is the answer. In this way we can find. I hope you all of you understood it. Let us do one question related to scale and triangle now. Okay. D number. In D number, there is a triangle like this. L M N. It is 8 centimeter. It is 5 centimeter. Oh, 5 centimeter. It is also 5 centimeter. Okay, now what we can do is, it is although the measurement of all sides given here, it seems, I also think the scale and triangle, since all three sides are given, but after writing the measurement I found it as an isosceles triangle, right? Your isosceles triangle. Now here you can use any formula. You can use the formula of isosceles triangle, or you can use formula of scale and triangle also, but the area will come same. Okay, let us use scale and triangle, sorry, isosceles triangle at first. Okay, here a equal to 5 centimeter and b equal to 8 centimeter. A mean equal side, b mean the remaining side, unequal side. Therefore, area of given isosceles triangle LMN equal to, what is the formula? B by 4 square root 4a square minus b square. Simply substitute the values. It is 8 by 4 square root 4 into a square is 5 square minus, it is a square, sorry, b square, 8 square. 8 by 4 is 2 square root 5 square is 25. 25 fours are 100 minus 8 square is 64. Now 100 minus 64 is 36. 36 square root 36 is 6. That means it came 12 centimeter square in one way. Okay, if we अब हेर्नुस् है, अब सी नम्बरको यसरी गर्नु पर्यो. अब नेक्स्ट मेथड हेर्नुस् है, how we can do it by next method, alternative way. Okay, alternative. In alternative method, here a equal to 5 centimeter, b equal to also 5 centimeter, let us say. Okay, b पनि 5 centimeter and c पनि, c कति छ 8 centimeter. This can be used in equilateral triangle as well. Hey? Now, therefore, S equal to a plus b plus c by 2. That means 5 plus 5 plus 8 by 2. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 8, 18. 18 by 2 is 9 centimeter. Now, okay. Now, area of triangle LMN equal to square root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now substitute the values. So let us substitute the values here. Value of S is 9. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 8 equal to, it will be 9 multiply 9 minus 4. 5 4 multiply 9 minus 4. Sorry, 5 4 multiply 1. Now it will be 9 4 are 36, 4 are 144. 144 means 12 centimeter square. See here, answer came same. In this way we can solve. Okay, I hope all of you got it. Let me call some person here. Let me call Nikita once. Nikita Banjara.
Yes, sir.
So Nikita, बुझ्नुभयो?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Let me call other some person here.